Hello and welcome to QuipCon. I'm going to show you this nice little Anets donut fryer that we have. We do these videos to show you how well everything works and show you that we're not hiding anything. Everything is out here for you to see, just like if you were in our shop. Here's the thermostat, power, turn it off and on. Now the reason you don't hear the contactor clicking in and out is because the thermostat's turned down. You turn that up, turn it on, and now you listen. You'll hear the contactor click in and out. Let me show you that. It's the contactor right here. Power wires come in. Now, I just have them hooked into the side here for our for temporary, for testing it. Now you'd have an electrician hook it up and they would run them up through that hole, and there's a cover that goes over this so you wouldn't see any of this. Obviously it's protected. Covers and covers for this. It's all up front. Can show you those. This is the transformer. Converts your power coming in. If you have 208, 220, it all has different taps for that, down to 24 volts. Your electrician, whoever hooks this up, will know all about it. Don't worry. It's a very common thing. This is where the elements are all inside of there. And these are the elements. And let's see what else we have. This is the temperature probe wire right here. Comes inside. Goes right there. I know it's kind of upside down, but that's it right there. That's the temperature probe. And this probe right here, that's for the over temperature shutdown. If you would leave this on, somebody would turn this on without oil in it, this would get so hot that it would shut it down. Now that's not good for the elements, so we're not going to do that. We're not going to run it without oil or something over top of it, because that will eventually ruin the elements. We don't want to do that. That's a standard thing. All fryers are that way. Anything, these elements are made to be submerged in some type of liquid, and that keeps them from overheating. This is supposed to protect them, but it's not something that I would count on, because you don't want to ruin your elements, obviously. You just never want to turn them on without oil. There's the rule. Okay, this is the power switch. Turn that on. You can hear the contactor click in. Turn it off. Now we are going to break our own rule here. We're going to turn it on just for a couple seconds. They're not going to get that hot that fast, so we're going to be okay. But I'm going to turn them on to show you that they work. Now we got this set to current. You can see it's drawing 7.5 amps. 7.5. 7.5. I'm going to do this real fast. 7.5. 7.5 and 7.5. So we're okay there. I'm going to turn them off now because we don't want it to get too hot. I can show you on our temperature gauge. They are nice and warm. You can see they're warming up. We're not joking here. These are getting hot. Each one of them is working. And we want you to be sure of that. We want you to know that if you buy a fryer from us, you're not going to have one or two burned out elements to contend with. Everything works good. When we get this equipment in, and say we've got 4 of these in from a supermarket. They went to a central bakery, so it's not like they didn't work for them or they broke or something. They just went to a central bakery, so they got rid of all the fryers in their stores, and that's how we ended up with them. So that's a good thing. You don't want somebody else's junk. In this case, you're getting somebody else's equipment that they were using. Management decided that the centralized bakery made more sense for them, so that's what they went with. This is going to also come with 4 fry screens. Let me grab one here and show you. Oh, I'm sorry, it's got 5 fry screens here. Actually getting another fry screen. They are the French weave fry screens. And there's 5 of those, like I said. And it's got the screen lift right here, which is good, because take my word for it, you do not want to reach down into that grease and grab a fry screen. You need a fry screen lift. So you have everything here, short of oil and donuts, that you need to start making donuts. You have any questions on this at all, any questions about shipping or voltages, anything like that, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 636-583-8200. And now we do have a website, obviously. It's www.quipcon.com. And there's going to be pictures on there of this. Be all put back together. I'll have all the covers back on it. You'll be able to see exactly what it's going to look like when it gets shipped to you. And we'll have this cover here closed so you can see that that's in good shape. be able to see the sides and how good the paint is on it and everything. So check out those pictures, give us a call, and I would be glad to answer any questions that you might have about it.